Microsoft's new tool converts every Office doc into perfect Markdown with one command, and it's absolutely blowing up right now. Hi, I'm Jason, and I'll be your host today on GitHub Trending Jason. I have spent all morning digging through the newest repos that are actually worth your time. Today's list is honestly wild. We've got massive companies like Anthropic and Microsoft dropping bombshell tools alongside some really clever independent projects that fix AI design slop once and for all. If you've been looking for ways to make your AI agents smarter or just want to automate your boring tasks, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. First up is MoneyPrinterTurbo by Harry703. This is a Python-based beast that uses large language models to generate high-definition short videos with just one click of a button. You just give it a single theme or keyword. Why involve so many stars? Because it handles the script, assets, captions, and music all on its own using MoviePy and AI. It has gained over 3,500 stars today alone. It supports full MVC architecture, which makes the code easy to maintain, and it even has a clean web UI and API. The wild part is how it handles different dimensions like vertical 9:16 for TikTok. It is basically a full content factory that you can run right from your own terminal. If you are into automation or content creation, this is a must-try. It simplifies the entire pipeline from an idea to a finished video file that is ready to be uploaded. Next, we have markitdown from Microsoft. This is a lightweight Python utility that solves a huge headache for all of us, converting messy Office documents into clean Markdown for AI. It doesn't just strip text. It preserves headings, tables, and even links. I've used other tools before, but this one is built by the AutoGen team, so it's specifically for LLM pipelines. It handles PDF, Word, Excel, and even images with OCR. It even does speech transcription for audio files, which is actually impressive for such a lightweight tool with thousands of daily stars. Why does this matter? Because local parsing is much safer than sending your sensitive documents to a cloud service. It gives you full control over how your data is structured. If you are building RAG applications or just need to clean up your documentation, markitdown is basically the gold standard now. It is fast, easy, and officially supported by Microsoft. Now let's talk about the compound engineering plugin from EveryInc. This is a TypeScript project that works with claude-code and Cursor to make your engineering work get easier over time. Most code bases accumulate technical debt, but this plugin tries to invert that. It helps you brainstorm, plan, and codify your knowledge into what they call compound notes for your AI agents. It uses commands like brainstorm and plan to make the execution phase much smaller. It is all about giving your AI better context so it doesn't make the same mistake twice. I'm not gonna lie, the philosophy here is super interesting. It focuses 80% on the planning and 20% on the execution. It's about building leverage into every single commit. If you feel like your AI tools are just producing boilerplate, this plugin helps them understand the deeper architecture of your project. It is a total game changer for long-term development. 20 is back on the charts today. This is the open source alternative to Salesforce that was designed from the ground up to be compatible with AI and modern data stacks. It is built with TypeScript and Nest.js, and it is honestly one of the most beautiful CRMs I have ever seen. It uses PostgreSQL and offers a powerful GraphQL API. The community is huge. With nearly 50,000 stars, it is clear people want an alternative to the heavy corporate CRMs. It just released version 2.8.0 today. The wild part? It is completely customizable. You can host it yourself and integrate it directly into your own AI workflows without any of the vendor lock-in you usually face. If you are tired of paying for seats on Salesforce, you definitely need to check out 20. It is fast, flexible, and the UI is incredibly snappy for a web application. Anthropic just dropped an update for claude-code, and it is still sitting comfortably at the top of the charts. This is an agentic coding tool that lives directly in your terminal. It understands your entire code base and helps you code faster by executing Git workflows and explaining complex logic through natural language. It is essentially Claude with a terminal and a brain. You can now install it through a simple curl script or homebrew. It is moving away from NPM, which is a major shift in how they distribute these high-performance binary tools. I've been using this for a while, and the way it handles mass refactors is honestly scary good. It doesn't just suggest code, it actually performs the tasks you ask for safely. For any CLI fans out there, this is the ultimate companion. It makes the transition from thinking to shipping significantly faster because it has direct access to your local file system. Now this one is really cool. Taste-skill is an anti-slop framework for AI agents. It gives your AI good taste so it stops generating boring and generic-looking front ends. It provides portable agent skills that upgrade layouts, typography, and motion. It is designed to work with tools like Cursor and claude-code to ensure your UI looks premium. The repo also includes image generation skills for making reference boards. You pair them with image generators and then hand the frames to your coding agent to implement the design. Why use it? Because default AI designs tend to look exactly the same. This adds that extra layer of polish that distinguishes a prototype from a finished professional product. If you are into vibe coding or rapid prototyping, Taste-skill is a massive level up. It helps you maintain a high bar for quality, even when the AI is writing code. Liteparse from the Llama Index team is a fast and open-source Rust-based document parser. It is tiny and focused exclusively on spatial text parsing without any cloud dependencies. It provides high-quality text parsing with bounding boxes, and it runs entirely on your local machine. It's meant for developers who need speed and privacy above everything else. While it doesn't have the fancy LLM features built in, that is actually its strength. It is a standalone tool that does one thing incredibly well: turning PDFs into structured data. It supports WASM and Python bindings, so you can use it in almost any environment. It is a great choice if you are hitting the limits of other slower local parsers. The Llama Index team clearly knows what they are doing here. It is efficient, well-documented, and perfect for high-volume document processing where you can't afford cloud latencies. Finally, we have stable-worldmodel. This is a platform for reproducible world model research and evaluation, and it is making waves in the deep learning community today. It provides baselines for things like model predictive control and joint embedding predictive architecture. It is built on PyTorch and aims for high reproducibility in world model training. The repo has grown quickly as more researchers look for standardized ways to test their agents. It includes several environments and pre-built solvers to help you get started fast. What is the goal? To create agents that can predict the future state of their environment. This is a foundational piece of technology for the next generation of autonomous AI. If you are interested in the bleeding edge of AI research beyond just language models, this is where you want to be. It is a very well-structured repository for serious work. That is it for today's trending repos. A huge thanks to the open source contributors pushing these incredible tools forward. Which one of these will you try first? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm Jason with GitHub Trending Jason, and I'll see you tomorrow.